Hello, my name is Mom Ramos and welcome to HM World Class. So this is a virtual classroom and I created this platform in order to help my former students in Caloocan to gain knowledge, confidence, and real-world skills that they need to succeed in this hospitality industry. So if you plan to take this BSHM, so it is very important that you have a clear overview of about what you are going to take, right? So join me today as I'm going to explain to you what is hospitality management. Are you ready? Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so what is hospitality management? Hospitality management is the practice of overseeing the operations, services, and customer experiences within the hospitality industry. Okay? So this course or this program is a business program. Okay? Why? From the word management. So the root word of management is manage. Is that right? Yeah. So manage. So it means you will be a manager in the future. It's either you manage your own business or you manage someone's business. So you will become a manager. Now, are you ready to be a manager? Okay, so let us repeat. As a manager, you will be overseeing. What are you going to oversee? The operations. Number 2, services. 3, customer experience. Okay? So example of operation is front desk. So under front desk, we have check-in and check-out services. And through this check-in, check-out, your customer will experience warm and personalized approach. So that will be the customer experience. So let us repeat. Hospitality management is the practice of overseeing operations, services, and customer experiences within the hospitality industry. Okay? So what is that hospitality industry? Or what are the sectors within that hospitality industry? So we have hotels and resorts, restaurants, events and conventions, travel and tourism, entertainment, and casinos. So these are the sectors or the industry within the hospitality. And you can apply in any of those sectors. Okay? Alright. So aside from overseeing the operation, the customer experience, and the services, you also have to ensure efficient operations and profit. And that is to maintain profitability. Okay? While doing that, you also have to create great guest experiences. And that is to make your guests happy. So that is hospitality management. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my class. Have a great day.